What is up with this place here, guys? I am standing outside the big super club here, Eureka. Eureka. All right. This thing is big. It's beautiful. It took up this whole entire corner lot here. All right. Beautiful parking under there. This is Narciso Street right here. All right. Hello. Welcome to my vlog. Now, what happened to the club here? What happened? They closed, right?
Yeah.
They opened up, then they closed, then they opened up again, right? And now they closed again.
Hello.
Hello, welcome to my vlog. What's your name?
Verna.
Verna, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, Verna. So yeah, this club here, like I said, open, close, again. They had this big grand opening here maybe a month ago, right? They had Vice Ganda, one of the stars here, celebrities here in Angeles, or not in Angeles City, in the Philippines, in all the Philippines. Vice Ganda showed up for the opening. There were cars lined all up and down the street for the reopening. Somebody had said that we'll walk and talk. Somebody said that she has her financial, or she's got her fingers in the club. In other words, she's financially invested in the club. Like I said, somebody said that. People said that. Is it true? I don't know. Well, yeah, it was a big thing. And then a couple weeks later, boom, closed. I don't know. Who's got that kind of money to dump into these buildings like this and close them up? Beyond me. But what's going on today? Another hot day. Today is Wednesday. Guys, this is all I'm going to be doing. If you're looking for anything more and anything exciting coming from my channel here, another kitty cat. If you're looking for anything more exciting coming from my channel, this is what you're getting until we leave, and that's only in a couple weeks, guys. Stay tuned. I know I get a lot of people saying they cannot wait until we get out of here, until we move, till we get down to the province, and I feel the same way. I'm excited, can't wait. Yeah, it's coming up within a few weeks. Here's another thing, guys. You know, I did a video, or I did a live stream the other day about trolls and stuff. All trolls are welcome to my live stream. If you want to troll me and talk about me and stuff, feel free to join the live stream. Come on and say what you got to say. But here's a weird thing, guys. My latest troll, and I'm done with this troll. Like, I'm not going to waste my time on this troll. My latest troll. Now he's talking about my penis. You know, I did the video. Look at this guy. He was crashed out. That's what the heat will do to you. Hey, what's up, guys? All right. What's up? Keep rolling, guys. All right. These are the guys you got to watch out for. Yeah. Right here in this area, that's the kids you got to watch out for. I know them. I know a couple of them from the bridge, the Abacan Bridge people. Good morning. 5680. What was I talking about? I get so distracted. Oh, this new troll. Like, I did the video about ED and stuff, and great response from all you guys out there. But now my newer troll, which I'm done after this video, I won't mention him. Like, he's talking about my penis now. This guy is definitely strange. And if you got to tell people you're a happy person, you're not a happy person. You're just not. 5680. Yeah, if you gotta tell people you're happy, you're not a happy person. Simple as that. Look at this here. A little fire going on over there by the wall. But yeah, I'm done with the troll. Have a nice life. What's going on? I've been having breakfast. I tried a lot of different breakfast places here. There's a lot of breakfast places here in Angeles City that are very good. You guys, don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. Tequila Reef, when they cook, properly cooked, what I ordered, very good breakfast place. I'm done there. I don't need to go there and flip a coin. Margarita Station, very good. I've actually eaten there quite a few times here this week. Very good. They have yet to screw up my eggs. All right. ZRV, another good place. A lot of good places. Oh.
Hey, you are the TV something.
All right, back at it. Very nice lady I just spoke with. Married 40 some years to her husband. She met him here when he was coming back and forth in the Air Force, and yeah, just a super nice lady. There's the guy right there. No, I'm good, my friend. I'm good, my friend. Thank you. I'm good. They always want to, these vendors always want to sell you. I've walked by that dude 100 times. And I said this in the past. You would think he would remember my face, and it's like, no, this guy walked by me 100 times. He ain't gonna buy anything. But still does ask me. I talked about the trash here the other week. This area here is Malabañas area. That's who covers the trash in this area, is Malabañas.
Shithole.
Hey, this place is what? There you go, you heard it. What did he say? What did Kuya say? What did the guy say?
I don't know, sir.
Oh, you didn't hear him? Oh, all right. All right. Back to the trash. This is at Malabañas. Malabañas, Barangay Malabañas here is responsible for the trash right here. Not this city of Angeles City. Everybody has their own area. Like our area where we live, we just pay a guy. I don't know what pays him, 100 pesos, 200 pesos a month. And he comes by and just picks up our garbage. But you know, this is the city. So the city provides, you know, trash pickup service. I had seen a list one time, how much they charge. Like they charge so much, that's a big triumph there. They charge so much for like a hotel. They charge so much a month for like a, hey, good morning. How are you? What's your name? Melinda.
Belinda.
Nice to meet you, Melinda. Have a good day. Yes, they charge so much per hotel, per restaurant, and all the other stuff. Guys, if they've got 5 trucks and one truck breaks down, it is what it is, right? This is probably just one day's worth. Alright. Look at that. Watch out for that hole. Especially at night. Fall right in there, huh? Trip and fall and twist an ankle. Alright, they're coming down here to little Clubby Lubbies. The Clubby Lubbies here on your right hand side. for rent here. Eclipse still for rent. It's my man right there. All right. Super nice guy there. What's his story, you know? He's an older gentleman. He's a door guy there. I speak to him every day. One of these days I'll just have to ask him his story. But every day he's there. It's like his thing. He's a door guy. He hangs out. Yeah. American from my understanding. I'll have to ask him one of these days. Right here in this area, right here. It just stinks. It's just nasty smell. Gross smell. Alright, we'll kick this back on when we hit Walking Street. Alright, back on Walking Street now. Everybody's favorite street. It's one thing you notice here in the Philippines. A lot of times you see people with umbrellas. Keeps the sun off their body, keeps the sun off of their head. What's going on down here? That one's 57. That rate is 57. That's a good rate. I'm gonna come up on Adrian. Coming up on Mr. Adrian here. All right. Morning, morning. There he is, Adrian. How's it going, Adrian?
All right.
The T-shirt mafia guy, right? The T-shirt mafia. Any shout-outs? Any quick shout-outs off the top of your head?
Shout out to Bruce Senator, shout out to Alan Tollin, shout out to Kevin Aggie, shout out to Darren Charty, shout out to Danger from Mornington Peninsula, shout out to Susan and Adrian and Susan from Garden Grove, Cali. Shout out to Junior.
Yeah, Junior. All right, let's just keep rolling here. All right, what's it? And a man. We'll just keep rolling down the road here. Show you what's going on. Guys, the Viking ship, now there's the Alps. They're still working on it. Ongoing operation, it says. The Viking ship, or the Viking, whatever you want to call it, is still closed. It is still closed. They have not opened it yet. Now this is what I'm hearing. This is what I'm hearing secondhand. The guy I used to get a lot of my chismis from has quit talking to me. So, like I said, the guy I used to get a lot of chismis from is not talking to me anymore. After 6 years of friendship, he has decided to boycott me and not talk to me anymore. Mr. Moral, I call him Mr. Moral. Quick, let me get by. Oh, let me get by the Angel Witch as quick as I can, so I don't get a strike. Yes, Hey, my friend, how are you? You staying cool? All right. Yeah. I call him Mr. Moral, but his morals are a little funny. All right. No, my friend, I'm good. But anyways, here is the Viking ship, and there's nothing there that says why they're closed or anything like that. I was told they tried to reopen, and they were basically told, no, you're not reopening. You know, that what happened there with the Viking, that made national news. Something like that. What I was told is they're still waiting for the manager that was involved. And we gotta get away from all this damn music. Jesus, music here, music there. Let me get down the road here quick. The manager that was involved with the issue in the case the one they're after, and the goons, I guess you could call them, the Philippine goons that were involved. They're still waiting for them to be turned in. They haven't turned themselves in yet, or they're not. They haven't caught them yet. I was told that they're not going to allow. Now remember, this is from my chismis dude, secondhand chismis dude, that they're not going to allow the Viking to reopen until these guys have turned themselves in and they start the prosecution of these guys. But yeah, let me get back to my chismis guy, my Mr. Moral guy, right? This guy always, you know, has all these great morals, right? You know, oh, this guy, he's with this girl, he's cheating on this girl. Remember, my father always told me, never trust a man who cheats on his wife or cheats on his girlfriend. All right, Mr. Moral, you know what I'm saying? Yet his good friend is sleeping with a married woman, but that's okay. But that's okay. Crazy, right? Here we go. Let's get back to the street. What's going on? This place here, it's coming along real good. I was told they are working around the clock. There's a sign there that says Madonna. The sign says Madonna, so is that going to be the Madonna Club? Actually, let me go ask. Wait. All right, guys, so guess what? Guess what, right? He's telling me, let me show you here. Let me show you. He is telling me tonight is a soft opening. Tonight. Whatever today's date is, I'll put it right here. He's saying soft opening. So by the time you see this, the soft opening will have happened. And he told me that it's going to be a soft opening all week long. What time they open? What time they open tonight? 8 o'clock? 5 o'clock. 5 p.m. till 5 p.m. soft opening tonight. So this is big, guys. This is big. This is nice. Let's get out of here. And the name of the club is Madonna. Madonna, the name of the club. That was confirmed. Yes, my friend. That was actually confirmed by a gentleman that knows what's going on. Let's put it that way. Well. What's that water coming from? Some water coming down from there. Here we are, 57 even. So that's the better rate, 57 even. 57 even. Let's get this water off my camera. I think I'm just going to wrap this walk up. Nothing really going on down here. Nothing new, nothing exciting. So yeah, I'm going to wrap this one up, guys. And come on. I'm trying to get the screen to pop on. I'm going to wrap this one. I'm going to stand in the shade under the Elite Club. Oh, where's it at? Oh, down the road here further. Was the January 13th part, I think it is. You guys let me know what that's all about. And thank you so much. So anyways, going to wrap it up. This is what you're getting, guys. What you see is what you're getting from me. And that's it. Till we move. So with that, we'll talk to you later.